What's up, guys? My name is Obazon Lamau, and today I'm gonna teach you how to be a god at Rocket League, just like NRJ Justin. So first, what you want to do is go to your garage, customize your car, and choose the Merc. Very big hitbox means you hit the ball more. Next thing you want to do, you want to go right into free play. All the pros do this. They go right into free play. It's how you get better at the game. Confirmed. So what you want to do in free play is to work on your fundamentals. All the pros do this. I asked NRG Justin personally, and he said he goes into free play 20 times a day. And if you're really struggling to get better at Rocket League, going into free play will help you immensely. And that is the end of the tutorial, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Rocket League videos.
What's up? What's poppin'?
Yo,
Hello.
chaos mode.
Huh?
We're playing fours now.
What?
Yo, Rohan.
2v2.
2v2?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, you and Tyler versus me and Ozian.
Oh shit, that is so unfair because I have big trucks.
Bruh.
Yeah, Ozian would just
no,
like
it's just,
destroy.
No, because you're too good at the game, I think.
I know, I have big trucks.
Wait, what
There's
are the
custom
teams?
ones that
Wow,
I have
bro.
I can give to
Guys,
you.
what are the
Actually, no, you
teams?
probably can't do those yet.
I don't know, is Rohan? Are you
I
good,
mean-
Rohan?
Yeah, he's
I'm-
goaded on
I'm
the
okay.
Yeah,
sticks.
are you better than Tyler though?
I'm diamond.
Oh.
Ozzy and join blue.
Oh,
Okay.
I mean,
oh my.
yeah.
Alright,
They're
so
Ozzy.
I might have lied. I might be a little doo-doo at this game, but
Yeah, I know. You got it yesterday.
Nah,
no.
he's crazy.
Okay, I'm a seasoned veteran.
Are you a season 3 veteran?
No, I'm just a seasoned
It's just a
veteran.
season.
Father, you better
Yeah.
not say that.
Oh my assist, assist.
No, I'm just kidding.
Look at that assist. You're welcome.
Nice try, bro.
Yes,
Nice
you
try.
like it.
I don't know what happened. Look at this.
It's all good. It's all good. We're all switch up sometimes.
200 IQ.
Alright, I defend, okay.
Yeah,
Watch
now
out
go.
for-
I
Watch out for
purposely missed.
Ozian's demos, okay?
Welcome.
Yup! Easy!
Oh.
Get him out of here!
My KD is crazy.
You're KD.
Shoot!
Yes, sir!
Getting
Another
slapped.
assist, baby.
Getting slapped.
Oh. You hit that?
I read Rocket League. I read in Rocket League more than I read in
Reads
real life.
Rocket League mode.
Get that shit out of here!
Ozian's
Get out!
Soccer IRL, so he's good at Rocket League. I got a demo, Rohan.
Yo, let's go, Ozzy.
Easy! Easy! That was a great pass. Holy,
That
what
was the
what a
best.
pass!
Look at this.
Oh, and what a finish!
Ah.
Clean. Oh, that little flippy dippy, okay? Oh my god.
We see, and then you win
Flippy
kickoff
dippy.
automatically.
Yup.
And he's goaded.
He's goaded on the sticks.
Yeah.
And it's
I'm
going
actually
up.
go.
And
Wait,
it's
wait, what?
Wait.
I'm goaded. I'm goaded on the keys, okay?
We don't watch this. We don't watch this.
Neo, why are you like cross field?
Yo, that was
Oh
in.
my
What?
God.
How'd that go in, bro? What the fuck?
Tyler, just give up. There's 5 seconds.
Bro.
And you're bound down by.
No! You're trapped.
Let's go!
Easy, easy.
I'm throwing.
Yo. Wait,
Bruh.
slow poke. Playmaker. Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's
3 assists. Oh.
No. Because it was all part of
Are you
God's
quick air
plan.
there?
No, how did I?
What happened?
Just watch, okay? I like. Oh my god. I jumped over the ball.
Wait
Oh,
until the
he's
ball's
not
like
goaded on the
really close to
keys.
contact.
Not bad.
No, why do you know how to air?
Yup! Easy!
Oh my God, Ozian,
Look
no.
at that! Oh my god.
Oh,
out my way.
Oh!
Wait, it's not in, it's not
Neo,
in.
Neo, Neo.
No!
Yo! I'm cracked! I'm cracked with the aerials! Yup!
Yes! Wait, no!
Yeah, clear that, Rohan.
No.
I'm struggling.
that was-
right on.
Yo,
You
I'm too
again.
goaded.
got it. You got it. You got it.
Oh, I don't got it.
No! I'm throwing.
What the
Okay,
fuck?
Wait, no, it's not.
We're
Get
No,
that
this
out.
is-
Look at that rebound. Yup, and dribble. Oh, hey, what?
hey, that boost. Go, 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 go.
I don't have boost, kid. I ran out ages ago. I'm dry.
He's out.
Oh shit. It's a bit fast.
It's recharging.
That's in.
What a oh my
Back
god,
up,
that was so
Tyler, no.
clean. That was so clean. What?
I don't even.
Boing. Oh, yeah.
Hey, yo, good backflip. No, 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 no,
Yes?
no.
Yes? No.
Alright, there's no time to score. Unless I'm fucking Justin, I can't do this.
Who's Justin?
NRG Justin.
He's a
Oh,
pro.
why do they name themselves based on first name?
Oh wait.
No.
No, I was there. What? I would have.
I was
Oh
about to
my-
hit that in. I was about to hit that in.
Own goal that. Oh
I was
my
about to hit that
god.
in.
Oh my god.
Hey, man, I need to see this gameplay.
Oh, match found.
Ooh, well, 1v1. Okay. You don't need teammates.
Yep. Solo queuing is how you get better. Okay.
That's honestly
think-
like a universal tip for Rocket League. You do ones.
I think this guy's a little confused about how to play the game.
And you're even more
I'm bad.
Okay.
Look at that. Look at
Okay.
that.
Wait, get that in.
No! I'm so bad. How did I miss that?
Yup.
Oh.
No
It's
way.
nuts.
No way he
Nuts.
saves that.
Yup. Go, go, go. Yup.
Oh shit! I
My
drifted.
power sliding. Oh, yup. Easy.
There you go.
Let's go.
All right, this is free kickoff right here. Oh
Wait,
shit!
Wait,
Oh
wait,
shit!
Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute.
No!
Not the freaking jumpy backfire.
Okay, that was a little bit of throw, not gonna lie. Yup, this is.
Oh,
What?
Wait, that was actually kind of
Yo,
cool.
you hit this. You hit this. Come on.
Jump
No!
and
Oh.
win.
Wait,
And
what is he
just score
doing?
for him.
What is he
Make it-
doing? What is
Wait.
he doing?
Oh my god.
Ran like to the side.
Oh,
Hit
yeah.
those.
Easy.
Easy.
Oh.
Easy. That was kind of nice.
Destroying.
Why isn't he leaving?
What the fuck?
Sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
we're just stuff people.
Wait.
Oh, get it!
Yeah. That's when.
Easy.